Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Ducati Panigale V4. So make sure to watch the full video. All new update 2023 Ducati Panigale V4 First look specifications, pictures and price. Ducati, an Italian motorcycle manufacturer. There are still new product updates. For marketing in the year 2022 to 2023, not only update in terms of new colors, but it's a technical update that improves driving efficiency and the convenience of access to cutting-edge technology. It also makes Panigale V4 easier to use than ever. As for the 2023 Ducati Panigale V4 update, at the heart of the changes are new electronics. The manufacturer has developed the engine brake control EVO2 with the ability to adjust 3 different functions, each of which works. There will be improvements in the use of brakes, taking into account the weight of the load and adjust the inertia forces that occur while activating the system at the rear wheels. In addition, Ducati has also received an update to the Ducati Quick Shift DQS system, which improves gear glide at all levels that directly responds to the opening of the throttle, which is to bring technology from the racetrack to use. The system will check the usage. When the gear position adjustment is detected, the system will temporarily cut off the fuel supply of the injectors. This affects the delay of the ignition of the engine. Electronic systems are still being developed, including the Ducati Traction Control (DTC) system and the ride-by-wire electric throttle. This will result in the vehicle's traction system having the ability to use while the car is tilted, or as we often call it, cornering traction control. The ride-by-wire electric throttle system has been improved in terms of throttle response with better efficiency than before. In terms of updating the device on the car, we'll have to adjust the new cooling fan, which can provide better operating temperature management and help manage the cooling of the engine better than before, as well as being able to reduce the rate of heat accumulated from the operation of the system with a lower temperature both in normal driving and on the racetrack. 2 new updates will be available on both the 2023 Ducati Panigale V4, Ducati Panigale V4s and Ducati Panigale V4 SP2. The update will begin rolling out to Ducati showrooms in Europe at the end of July. The new car will be part of World Ducati Week 2022 at the Misano World Circuit Marco Simoncelli in Italy, between 22 to 24 July to arrive. And with a major event coming up on July 21, the Lenovo Race of Champions showcases all 21 Ducati riders from MotoGP and World SBK on the Panigale V4 and Panigale V2. New update as well. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you.